everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. Hope y'all are having a great Saturday. I was just sitting here debating about whether I was going to go do lift tonight because we had some pretty major flash flooding here in town, and today is also the Oktoberfest pub crawl in town, so I was pretty well set to make a decent amount of money this weekend. However, the storms that came through may have just put a damper on that for me. So while I was sitting there on the phone with another Lyft driver, I hear a knock at the door, and it's the mail lady handing me this little package here. It's subscriber mail. I already know who this is from and what's going to be in the package. She messaged me, I think it was after one of my lives one evening, maybe a week or two ago, and asked me if she could send me something. She's wanting to get into an Etsy store, and she wanted to try something out, and she ran the idea by me, and I said I would be glad to take a look at them and unbox them and give them a try. So here we go. This package is from Beth Minton. You may have seen her around on some of your lives and in some of the groups on Facebook, and she's wanting to go into her own Etsy store here. She currently says she's building up her inventory now to get it started, hopefully in the near future. So definitely y'all keep a lookout for that. Just like all of you, I'm ready to, I'm always ready to help out a fellow YouTuber and a fellow diamond painter that's active in our community. And so yeah, definitely keep a check out for her. I don't have any links, obviously. So yeah, she messaged me pictures of this and said, "Do you think this would look great?" And she goes, "I think it's a great idea." And I was like, "Yeah, sure, definitely. Let's take a look." So what she sent me was bubble wrap. Aren't those the coolest? Matter of fact, she sent me these after I uploaded my car show video last weekend. These are cover minders made from Hot Wheels. Isn't that just awesome? Nice little magnets. They're nice and strong, and they're not too big to get in the way of anything, and they're just kind of nice and stylish. That's an awesome idea, Beth. I've said it for a long time, there needs to be more guy related stuff out here in the DP community, and thanks to all of the great people that are making things like this, and like the Bob Ross DP pen, and Karen over at KK's is awesome. With there's starting to be more things out there that are available for men diamond painters. And so Beth figured out that these would make really good cover minders, and they really do. That is an awesome idea, Beth. That is great. Definitely, and another suggestion for you, Beth, I think would be great, and I would buy them. If you could find NASCAR ones, the Winner Circle brand, or Action makes them as well in 64 scale, like this size here, and I would definitely pick up some NASCAR cover minders for sure. Get a variety of drivers. Granted, you probably have to charge a bit more for them because the NASCAR die casts aren't really cheap, but they're not super duper expensive either, and I would definitely be willing to pay for a set of my favorite driver's car for cover minders for sure. But yeah, it's a great idea, Beth, getting more men interested in diamond painting, because I really think that there's a market there for us. It's just that because it's crafting, it's not really considered a manly thing to do. And so a lot of men, I'm sure there's a lot of men out there that diamond paint that don't even come forward and say they do because they're scared of what their friends or coworkers or whatever would say about it. And so they just kind of keep it to themselves and do it at home and don't say anything. And if we could have more manly things, like manly designs for diamond paintings, manly cover minders and pens and just all those sorts of things, I think you would probably see a much larger male community doing this. So thank you very much, Beth. I will put these to great use. They are totally awesome. I love them. So until the next time, y'all, rock on, y'all.